Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be, cooking up for YhapoJJ. And I do actually use my adjustments preset pack in this video, so if you guys do want to try it out and, cop it, I will leave a link down below. Upgrade your style, get better fast. That's the whole, point of this whole pack and, these videos and shit. Just to help you guys get better fast. So if you guys do want to invest, make sure you guys go down below and cop. What I'm going to do here, we're gonna darken it out, put the overlay on it, boom, get the curves, just get like a nice kind of dark look. I definitely kind of have an idea for this stuff. I want like a Wild West gothic stormy fucking, I don't know, like something like that. And yeah, I think I can definitely get the kind of look for sure. So I'm just putting down some basic adjustments here just to kind of get a feel of what I want to go for. Wild West. I think this looks fine if we just have it, if we kind of just like blend it a bit. Like, this shit looks so gimmicky right now, but yeah, I want to put like a stormy sky. So definitely storm sky. So we could do the ocean too. That could be fire if we implement both of them. Just have them like there, have them both there, then have that there. Create a mask on this, then kind of just like erase it just a bit. Then just have this like background here, and I might blur this too, like the background. Yeah, I think this is gonna come out like fine, nice. Gonna add some, some natural, more kind of natural glow to it. I'm not really sure how this is gonna look, but we're gonna find out. So I'm definitely gonna have to like kind of match the light in here. Definitely darker up top, darker at the bottom, kind of lighter in the middle. So yeah, just do this, like boom. This is a bit weird. This is a little bit weird, but I'll go with it. Bring the fill down. Boom. Now I kind of want to get rid of some areas. Don't want it to be like crazy. Just like, if you film, you film. Gonna just do some more. Like, this kind of like such a random fucking like idea. Like, it doesn't really look that good, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll keep going with it. We'll stick with it. We could add this. Yeah, we could add that. So convert to smart object. Wanna have this in the background for sure. Fat sure. Just have like here, like in the ocean. or some shit. I don't know. Tashi. Boom. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some more like darks here. Also want to add some lights here, just to give it more of the glow effect that I'm looking for. I want to get rid of it on the face. No bill. So yeah, probably get rid of this a little bit more. Bring this up, then erase. I think that's like the best way to do this. Then just like bring back some shit. Boom. Now I'm gonna bring in an adjustment preset. If you guys do want to cop the pack, down below, show me what you make. Join the Discord as well. We're trying to get some members in there. I think we have like 30 right now. Once we get 100, we're starting the first crate for it. So color local. If you guys do want to use the pack, this is how you do it. You just click here, click load 3D look, then you go to the pack. You click down here where it says cube. You want to change it to 3DL file, and just go through them. So probably number 2 will work. And you can like mess around with the blend modes. A lot of the time you can get something out of them, something like that. This is no YhapoJJ. Then I'm gonna do my thing. I did my motherfucking thing. I'm gonna blur this shit. Have it like that. I'll just kind of erase around. I'll back in as I see fit. I just finding something like nice. To be real. Go like that. Then we're gonna merge all that back again. If you guys want me to do like a whole like Photoshop tutorial, let me know. I'll like show you guys how to like go through shit and all shortcuts and shit. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. But yeah, I think I'm pretty much done with this. Just a few more little effects. Just want to do this for sure. It's a bit bigger, kind of just down here. Might do this. This looks nice. Yo, that shit looks hard. Holy shit, what? Then we could bring this like down here or some shit. then we can duplicate it. Horizontal. Bring this like, make even bigger. Put like down here. Right now. I'll probably blur this one, to be fair. Just to give it a bit more like that. But I don't want it to be crazy. Just some like that. Then like put a blur, or not blur, put a little glow on it. You feel me? What the fuck? Alright, so I'm gonna probably bring the saturation down a bit, or just the vibrance. Give it a nice look. Probably just, instead of the glow, just darken it out. And yeah. This is very random, I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty random. Now my cam's definitely in the way, so I'm just gonna move it. You know what, I'm gonna start moving it up here. What the fuck? I'm gonna move it up here. Just so it's not in the way of anything anymore. But yeah. This is kind of what we have right now. I'm definitely going to put some textures in. I do have a free pack in the Discord. It's my just assets, textures, all that shit. So I'm just gonna open that up. And usually, you know, I get some ideas of it. I think it's fire. Alright. So I'm gonna just hide this. Okay. Textures. I want to get this texture in. I love this texture. I don't know why. It's like a really nice texture. And all these textures are free. I just have them all into one pack because it's just convenient for me. And I know a lot of people will be like asking for what textures I use, and you guys will like literally have to search for a while. So I just decided to give you guys it, to be honest. Alright, so we are going to merge it again. I know I merged like shit a million times, but you know, I know it's so weird. I don't know why I do it, but I want to get radio blur. Yes sir. Once we have the put to about 50, and we're changing this to zoom. I really like this effect. It's just like, I don't know, it's nice. Then you want to put on like lighting. It's probably the best. Then you want to grab your layer mask. Just erase like in the middle, like parts where, you know, it's kind of like messing up the actual image. Just get rid of it, like right there. Then the rest is fine. I'm gonna just bring the opacity down. Yeah. So another texture I'm gonna bring in is a copy scanner texture. This is from Black Market. If you guys do want to like go and get it, it is like $30, I think. $30. Yeah, it's a really good pack, to be honest. If you guys do fuck with it, go and cop it. This is not an ad. This is not an ad. But yeah, I just do fuck with it. I really do fuck with it. It does bring, you know, your covers to life. In a whole nother way. Now I don't know where the fuck a texture pack is loading, but Here we go. Alright. Like, that's okay, a fire effect. Hold on. But yeah, I'll probably just go for like the linear dodge add, bring this down. Usually I bring it down below the adjustments just to get like even a better effect. That kind of like blends in more, like something like that is crazy. Like, the difference is crazy, bro. Gonna merge it again. Bring this to like exclusion divide. Yo, I fuck with that. Woo! Hold on. That's looking hard though. But it doesn't really do much, like. So yeah, probably maybe like have a border around it, kind of like a film burn, I guess. Film burn kind of effect. Just have it like around the border. And then bring the opacity down. Just make a little texture for yourself, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. Put parental advisory on it. I don't want to, you know, mess with it too much because, you know, you end up fucking shit up doing that. Yo. How long are we recording for? 20 minutes on the fucking vid. 20 fucking minutes. So I'll probably put this to like linear. Put this to screen. I'll probably drag over to the other side. Just because there's none actually there. Kind of messing with it. And yeah, that is the final product. Now if you guys do want to, you know, upgrade your, you know, your cover arts, cop the pack, bro. This shit is actually like revolutionary. Now this is the second preset I have in the paid pack. I don't think I have this in the free pack, but definitely look into it if you guys do want to, you know, upgrade this shit fast, efficiently, you know, all that. And yeah, so yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe, follow the IG, cop the pack, join the Discord, and yeah, peace.